Today we will learn how to make watermelon juice. Watermelon is the only food that's considered like a fruit and a vegetable.
Did you know that the heaviest watermelon so far was found in Tennessee, United States in the year 2013? The weight of the watermelon was 159 kgs. That is 350 lbs.
Wow, that was so huge. We can make tons of watermelon juice out of it.
Yeah. The ingredients we need for this recipe is 4 to 5 cups of watermelon, 8 to 10 mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of lime or lemon juice, and half teaspoon of black salt. If your watermelon is not sweet, you can add sugar or honey. Put everything into the blender, then blend it very well.
Our watermelon juice is ready!
Now let's do the taste test. So refreshing. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel
For more